Oh, what is this camera angle?
No,
What is this camera angle, bro? I've got bad epilepsy.
But I'm fine.
Right. Absolutely outrageous this is, mate. And right, that's brilliant. Cheers, mate. Come on then. You wanna go? Come on then. What's the sheriff doing here? No. What are you doing? Right, this guy's weird. Yep, you're weird.
I'm moonwalking.
Right. Yeah, don't even think about it, matey. Yeah, you're definitely shy, aren't you?
Yeah, man. That's so nice.
This is outrageous. This is outrageous.
Yeah.
Oh. Right, yeah, no, outrageous. This is outrageous. Why is it around? I'm going all the way around. I'm going all the way around, I don't care. Find you, but I'm going all the way around. No. Pinch. I'm gonna pinch you right now. I'm gonna hit a cruiser right now. Hit a cruiser. Wait, stand up real quick and go right against the wall. Stand up and go right against the wall. Now cool, I'm hitting a cruiser. Your arm. Wait, twin, I know what to recreate. Wait. Oh, I just died! Oh my god, wait, come at me! Come look at me, come look at me! Oh my god! Come look at me!
Wait 1 second. I'm clipping that.
This is the weirdest thing of this. Wait, twin, guess what? No! Ow! That's not. Oh no. Come here, mate. Stand up right now, I dare you, cuz. Chin ya. Yep, you're weird. What are you gonna do? Arrest me, come on then. Uh-oh, bad for him.
Wait, no, so, I have something to say, okay?
What?
No, wait, seriously.
I literally...
Alright, stop the video, stop.
Yeah, 10.
I'm not catching a Polish editor.
I'm catching my... No! Is that a paid actor?
Yeah, put me in the basement.
Is that a paid actor? You got a paid actor. What are you doing?
I'm not going in your basement again.
You're gonna go in my basement again? I don't think so. What the hell? Yeah, this is right. Yeah, amazing matches.
Oh, yes.
No! Ow, I've done that for no reason, you know.
No, it's dead.
Oh, what's this? What the hell? What are you actually genuinely gonna do? I've got an idea. I could just do this.
No, don't steal your car. That's gay. That's weird.
Go on and get through it.
Oh, that's absolutely outrageous. Oh wow. No, don't respawn your car. That's good.
Mate, bro, I had a whole wheel off in my last one.
Well, guess what? Every single part of my car is off.
I don't care. I'm respawning my car because for some reason mine can't turn. If I had a Red Bull, this would just be off track by now, can't I? Right! I landed bad. Right, this is terrible. No, don't, no. Wait, unlucky mate. Oh, yes, a car I can actually control.
Fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, now that I can actually turn right. Never mind, this one's even worse for turning. Yeah, this is, yeah, right, give me the roll.
Front on crime.
Absolutely outrageous. Outrageous this is, mate. Yeah.
Yeehaw.
Oh really, you can laugh cause you mad. Right, it's outrageous. Come on then. Nice one, mate, unlucky. I'm upside down. What are you gonna do? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? This is outrageous. I mean, I'm ready.
Oh shit, no.